Welcome students. In this video we're going to take the following integral. Cosecant squared over cotangent x. So to do this integral we need to use this rule. The derivative of cotangent of x is equal to negative cosecant squared x. Because we're going to do a substitution here. So the substitution that we're going to do is as follows. You let u equals cotangent x. Then du is equal to negative. From here we get cosecant x dx. Okay, now that we have the substitution, we're gonna do the integral. So because we have a minus, but I don't see minus here, so we're gonna pull out a minus, and then we're gonna plug in du 1 over what is u? Cotangent. Okay, now we're gonna take the integral. Now that we did the substitution, we're gonna take the integral. So that is equal to minus ln absolute value u plus c. But remember, we need to plug in u back. So what is u? Cotangent. That is equal to negative ln cotangent x plus c. You can go further and put cotangent in terms of sines and cosines, but that is just extra work. But this should be the final answer if you want to leave it in trig functions or in cotangent. For other formula, you have to plug in sines and cosines for cotangent, and then use log rules to get another form of the function of the antiderivative. But that is not necessary as long as you don't need it. But this should be a good answer. Thank you very much, students.